Hi guys! Today I'm trying out these 24 metallic acrylic paint markers from Pagather. I bought these because I thought they looked like a fun set to color with. Before I get started though, I should probably admit that staying inside the lines has never really been one of my strengths. So if you're here to judge my coloring skills, be kind. I'm starting with the metallic gold using the brush tip. It glides really smoothly across the paper, and I like how easy it is to fill in the larger areas. After that, I switch over to the fine tip, which gives me a little more control for the smaller details. It doesn't magically keep me inside the lines, but it definitely gives me a better chance. Next, I pick up the robin's egg blue and use the brush tip to fill in the larger sections before switching to the fine tip for the smaller details. I really like having both tips on the same marker because it keeps everything simple. Instead of grabbing a different marker every time I need more detail, I just flip it over and keep coloring. The colors have been bright and consistent, and I haven't had any problems with the ink skipping while I was coloring. These markers aren't just for coloring books either. You can use them on paper, canvas, wood, stone, glass, ceramic, fabric, and lots of DIY craft projects. Whether you enjoy lettering, journaling, drawing, or just getting creative, there's a lot you can do with this set.